Hi everyone, this is Prithvi Prabhu, your 16309. I'm here to explain a program in file handling. File handling is a way in which we can handle any files from the system. We can create files, we can delete files, we can read the data from the file, we can also write some data into the file. We can use so many methods here, and I've created a program which reads the names from a text and sorts them in their alphabetical order. So let's see the program. To do this file handling, we need to import a package called IO, which have already some default methods in it for all these things which I've told, creating and deleting and everything. So let's see here. I've imported these many methods, that is buffer reader, buffer writer, file reader, file writer, IO exception, array list, collections, everything. In this buffer reader and buffer writer is to write and read from the read from the file and write with the file. File reader is for using the file, and same goes the writer also. Exceptions, some array list, and collections. Collections is for storing some elements. And further moving on, I've created a main class in which I've created an object for the file reader and file writer. The buffer reader and buffer writer. This gets the data and buffers them into the file. And this is for string array, because the names which we read from the text will get stored as different strings, and it will be sorted in the array. Using the object which I have created for the buffer reader, I am giving some directory in which the text is present, the text data is present, and from that file names will be read. Since I've already created a file there, so we need not create a new file. We just have to give the address, that is the directory for the buffer reader. I'm giving it here, and next line, this line it reads every time this thing reads the line, and if there is any name present in it, it gets stored in the current line. And till that line, it will read each and every line for new names, and if any name is not present and if it is empty, it automatically gets closed. So until then, this thing will read, and each name will be added in the array. See, again I'm using current line here because again and again new names will be added. And this thing, once this thing is the names are read, it will show file read, and this thing will sort all the names in the array automatically. And this thing, I'm giving the same address because we need to sort the names in the same text. If you want to create a new text, you can also create a new text and give that address, but since I'm using the same, I'm giving the same address. And for each line it will write new lines, and in every line the arranged string array names will be written in it. And once the names are written in the file, it will say names sorted. And these are just some exam and exceptions, and this is to close the objects which we have created, otherwise it will keep on running in this file handling. So we need to close it, and once it closed, the names will be written in the sorted array. So let's see a file here. See, I've created names file here, and if we click on that, a file gets opened, and here let's give some names. As you can see, these names are not written in the alphabetical order, and I'm saving it. Now if you open the file, it will be like this, but here once we run this program, execute this, first it should show the output as it is read, and it is also written back. As you can see here, it is showing it is read and it is written. Now let's check the file. As you can see here, these names are alphabetically sorted, and this is how we use file handling. We can also create files if we want, and we can also copy this into the other file, so we can get the input and output from files also using this file handling. Thank you.